29व्या राष्ट्रीय सिनियर बेसबॉल सर्तीन गोयचे चले वस्ताद थारले। शुक्रारा जाल्ले फायनलीन तांणी दिल्लीक 8-8 4 पॉइंटांनी मारले। यजमानांचे चलयांचो पंगड मात तिसरो आयलो। ह्या गटान पंजाबान चंदीगडाचेर जैत जोडून वस्तादपण मेळयले। हे सर्तीच्यो मॅची फातोड्डे आनी सेरावले ग्राउंडार जाल्यो।
Official of Goa Baseball Association gave the Prudent patience for being well disciplined from the first stage till here as I got the report here.
ह्या सिजनाची आय लीग फुटबॉल सर्त आयज सावन सुरू जाता। उक्तावणाच्या मॅचीन साळगांवकर फुटबॉल क्लब आनी पुणे FC एकामेका सामकार येतले। मॅच फातोड्ड्या नेहरू स्टेडियमार आयज सांजे 4:30 सुरू जातली। ह्या सिजनात साळगांवकर आनी पुणे ड्युरांड कप आनी फेडरेशन कपान खेळ्ळ्यात आनी दोन्ही फावट साळगांवकर जिखल्यात।
Yeah, we look, playing Salgaocar is always a pleasure because they are a team that also like to play football, and the games between Salgaocar and Pune FC are always very competitive but also pleasant games. We played Salgaocar in the final of Durham Cup. We played them also in the important match of the Federation Cup. Though we lost both matches, but in terms of performance, possession, chances created and all that, I was very happy with Pune FC. We did have on both occasions a very good game and a very strong second half.
Yeah, we are going to start the I League tomorrow, and it will be our first match, and we always take first match as a very important match. Although there are injuries among players, like Duffy and Dawson will be missing the
Duffy and who?
Dawson who are the mainly the starting 11, and they'll be missing the match. But of course there are youngsters who can come into the position like Brian and Aslan, and even so.
What is the spelling of that?
ASLON. Yeah, we will be definitely looking out for a win tomorrow. Of course, Pune is a good team. We have played them twice, as the coach said, and we have beaten them twice. But we are not going to go there with our confidence, because every match is a new match for us. And of course, there will be definitely playing good football.
इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट। यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट।